How to view blocked senders in Yahoo Mail. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up a web browser on your laptop or PC. Now you can only do this in the web browser. So you want to head over to yahoo.com, then click on this mail option. Over here, you first have to sign into your account, so go ahead and enter your username, email or mobile number, then click on next. Now it's time to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. Once that is done, you want to click on the next button. Once you have logged in, you want to click on settings. When you click on settings, now you want to click on more settings option. From here, you want to click on the option of privacy and security. When you click on this option, you're going to find the blocked addresses option, and you're also going to find the list of blocked senders here. You can also click on add to add the new address. Simply add it, then click on save. If you want to delete it, you can click on this delete icon and your senders will be unblocked. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.